to do an unboxing of this watercolor set. I purchased this on Amazon from a company called Schpirerr Farben. It's a set of 12 watercolors and apparently they're artist grade, so we'll see about that. I'm really excited about the colors. There's two types of blue, there's a Prussian blue, there's a really cool sea green color, and two types of red. Let's see what it looks like. The watercolors come in this navy blue tin. It's really compact and good for on-the-go painting. There's a ring on the back so you can hold on to it. When you open it, the company actually provides you with this color chart. This color chart is really convenient because you can keep it in your watercolor kit and know exactly what colors you have. Each paint comes individually wrapped, and there's a space in the middle for you to put a paintbrush. So when I took out the middle portion with all of the paints, I discovered 3 more mixing panels on the bottom. The pans come out pretty easily, but not to the point where they're just gonna fall out, you know? Each pan is individually wrapped, kind of like Starburst. So let's unwrap them. So this is what the paints look like. They seem to be pretty full, so that's good. Oh no. So as you can see, the paints are not attached to the pan, but that's okay. That just means that the paints are not poured in, they were cut and placed inside. I can show you guys what to do to make them stick together. Okay, so this is what you guys do to make the paint stick to the pans. All you do is add a couple drops of water to the pan, and then you just put the paint back in. And don't touch it for a while. After a couple minutes or maybe an hour or so, the paint will fuse to the pan and you won't have that problem anymore. I really enjoyed unboxing this watercolor set. I can tell that it's really good quality and I'm super excited to start using it. I'm thinking of filming a swatching video soon, so if you guys are interested in that, please let me know. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. Bye!